Wait. Well, I mean, we don't even have to talk to the viewers, alright? I hope that the filming hasn't started yet. Well, in case it has, welcome back to Red Dead Redemption with the boys. Okay, I'm probably not gonna talk to you guys. I'll need them. Because they're just super close like that, right guys? Yeah. Alright. What do you guys want to do? You want to raid the base without weapons?
No,
Okay.
just with a pistol.
Pistols and knives.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw my drone out. Wait,
and a truck. Okay. Are we going stealth or guns blazing? Because my gun, you can't equip a suppressor on. So.
I mean, I guess we'll see.
Isn't there a really good helicopter here?
Oh, I already raided this base. Oh no, this is yours.
I know, we did
you
it
already
last
raid
time,
this?
remember?
I don't know, there's so many here.
Oh,
that was on mine.
Okay, I guess we're going guns blazing. Two down!
I have a trigger finger, so I'm pretty good at this with a pistol.
Oh shoot. What should I call this video? Okay, going in sniper tower, taking them out from the inside.
Oh, I just got sniped.
Yeah.
Wait, what the
also,
heck?
this game is bloody, so don't watch this. Oh, Jesus. As you can see. Stab you in the penis. Cut you in the neck. This is how we do it at something. I don't know. Oh, I know what I'm calling this video.
Oh, this is
recon. More like goat recon. Get it? Because
no,
that's my channel.
That's okay. Okay.
Kamikaze!
I got him at the top.
You know what? I'm not gonna use my pistol anymore.
Kamikaze!
Hey, actually,
I need a revive.
Are we still using
jumped off the tower? Guys, can I have a revive? I jumped off the tower.
Wow.
That's what.
Hold on, let me carry you to safety.
Oh shoot.
Let me carry you to safety.
Carry me! I got 41
Come on,
seconds.
Get my back! Get my back! Jackson, cover me!
I am!
Okay.
No! This is less safe. Oh god, my head is inside this canister.
Okay, I got you.
There's a guy coming up on us, but I got him.
Wow, I really like this view.
Wow.
Wow.
That's nice.
That's...
Ooh, I got a new gun.
Me too. I go to...
oh, that's a juggernaut!
Oh.
There's a juggernaut!
Oh,
Juggernaut!
got him. Dead. Is that everyone? This base was easy. Dude, this is like the easiest base in the game. I can't get through a door. I was defeated by a door. Okay. You guys want to get the helicopter and go on vacation?
What? I can't even pick up my best friend. That's rigged.
This game is rigged.
Okay, everybody take your best friend and let's put him in a car.
I don't have a best friend.
Okay, never mind then.
Wait, don't you have to grab? You have to grab them to put them in the car. You can't just like pick up their body. There's Hollywood. Oh, that says Homewood. Let's go to Hollywood, boys. Wait, there's people over here. We're gonna put them in our helicopter, all right? Do not shoot.
Okay.
No guns, no knives. Just grab and putting in helicopter and driving away.
Wait, did you say something? Did you say use guns?
Yes. No, I said we're gonna put them in a helicopter.
I'll
you
use
wanna go on
something
a
better
road
than...
trip or not?
Look, Jackson, look.
Or grenades.
See this? You see this? Okay.
Oh god!
Okay, where you at?
Ow.
just heard an explosion.
I got one. Cover me! I got a friend. Hold X and grab him. I got my friend. Come on, escort. Escort.
I had to kill the other one.
Should we go hillbilly in the pickup truck or hillbilly in the helicopter?
A helicopter.
There's a tank.
The helicopter's only 2 riders.
Yeah, hold on, let me just...
Jackson, do you have good grip?
No.
Well, I hope you do.
I'm gonna get
No
this.
friends. It's only 2 riders.
Okay, I'll be the gunner. Yeah.
Okay, I'll drive. Well, no, I'll be on the wing. I'll just hang on.
I'll drive, because I'm the best driver.
What the heck? Okay, I guess we're taking
No
this.
escape.
Let me in!
Get in!
Get
I'll
in.
just be on the top.
Okay. Oh.
Go! Go!
Okay.
Too heavy.
Sorry, I ate a Big Mac before this. Oh god! I'm died.
Gotta go back. Gotta get
Thanks
him.
for shooting my body. Beep,
Okay.
beep, beep.
Gonna give him a
Get him,
revive.
Kaden.
Needs a revive. Wait, actually,
I'll
I'm just
block
gonna
you
stow him in the
guys.
car.
Beep.
I'm just gonna stow him in the car instead.
Wait, can you?
No.
Revive me. Put me in the engine. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Warm.
Jackson. I
Watch
swear,
my head go through the
Jackson.
engine. I love emerging from cars. Dude, I'm super angry. Listen to my guy scream.
Oh my God,
It worked once, it'll work again. Don't blow me up again.
We're going this way.
Ow!
But Landon!
You blew me up.
No, he died
Stop
somehow.
blowing
That's
me.
me.
You got him.
Dude, oh my
Gotta
god.
block him. Okay, we're
Some
good.
great content.
Don't worry about our car. That's probably gonna explode.
Explode,
Thanks
please.
for leaving me here.
Oh,
Ow!
I got you.
We're all gonna
I
die.
kinda died.
What happened to Jack? Don't worry, I got
Don't
you.
worry. Don't worry, don't worry.
I'm
Jackson,
coming.
can you revive us? I'm
What's
under this
happening?
car. Help.
Okay.
I need somebody. Help. Not just anybody. Help. Somebody that can lift cars. Help. Any day now, Jackson. Any day. Never mind. Hello? Oh, I disconnected, didn't I? Someone did.
Landon, you lagged out.
Landon.
Landon, you
Well, I
lagged
guess
out.
I'm
It says you guys lagged out.
No, it says you guys. Me and Jackson are fine.
Yeah, I'm coming to
Oh.
save you.
Invite me,
Kaden.
invite me.
Okay. I'll invite you.
Oh shoot!
What?
Yeah.
A rat.
Jackson.
Help.
They can't notice us.
You're my hero. Oh my
Help.
goodness. Pistol.
anybody.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, is that a
Nobody
juggernaut?
saw that.
Help.
Wait, that's a jug. Oh my.
Help.
Watch out, Kaden.
That's a juggernaut. I'll blow him up with my RPG.
Yeehaw! Oops, I missed.
Wow.
I got this, Jackson. Wait, that just went straight through
Oh.
him. What the heck? That went straight through him.
Somebody help. Well, just anybody help.
Oh, I got a new helmet. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, let's take this helicopter. Only if Landon didn't blow it up, then it'd be fine, but...
That was you.
That was Landon. What are you talking about?
Jackson, who do
Hello.
you believe more?
Kaden.
Yeah. He was a
You
witness.
guys had the
He
huge
is a
freaking
witness.
cannon. You guys had the huge freaking
No, that was you. What are you talking about? You killed me like 5 times. Honestly, I
I'm
don't know what
gonna
you're talking
shoot this
about.
man 3 times and he's dead.
No,
Help.
I want it.
There's boots in there. It's
I want
boots.
You
it.
guys blew up every single freaking car.
I got some new boots.
No. Not every core.
I'm about to go trunk my body, old butt. Eh. Eh. I'm about to clap you, everybody.
Oh look, there's some smart cores over here.
You can't drive them.
This is one of the game sucks. You can't drive some tiny smart core.
Why did you get
Oh,
it?
there's because I wanted to. Okay, Jax. Hold on, do not
I
kill
guess,
him.
are
I'm
we
gonna throw out
using
my drone.
chronicles?
No, I'm gonna throw my drone. How do I do that?
Yeah. It's truck mod! Oh, I missed. Hold on. It's truck mod! Oh, I missed again. Guys, get in! Jesus! What the crap?
Kaden, you
Get him
got
down.
RPG.
I don't have any more.
Oh god, it's gonna blow! You guys suck. Oh, there's a modern car. We don't need
Where?
it. Hey!
Get ready! Boom! I got him!
Already.
Come here. Oh, I'm like this. It's truck mode! Okay.
What did you just say to
Everybody
me?
get in. I'm the gunner this time. Because I don't trust.
I'm gonna get in the back.
Guys, what the heck?
Oh, I guess I'm gunner.
Jackson's driving.
I wanna get in the back.
Yay!
Wait, I'm gonna get in the
I'm the
back.
gunner.
Are you guys ready?
Wait, hold on, Jackson, stop, Jackson!
It's
Stop.
truck mode!
Okay, let me get in.
Okay, get in. We're smoking.
Let's go.
Already. Smoking.
There's
is
some
bad.
people on your right. Yeah, right there.
Let's go get it.
Run them over, Jackson. We're gonna explode.
Ow, taking heavy fire. Oh god, I'm lagging. Oh yeah, we're on fire. Help! I need
Get stuck in there and die. There's some vehicles. Oh, we're screwed.
I know.
We're splendid.
Oh,
Wait, no,
yeah,
we're not.
these
Hold
are
on.
easy. This game is so easy. Me and
Oh,
Jackson
it
are
is.
just from the Wild West. Well, actually, I don't know where Jackson's from, but I'm from the Wild West.
Oh.
It looks like he has. I'm not even gonna say it. Never mind. It's trunk mode. Trunk. Tactical nuke inbound.
That was definitely
Okay, you
not
guys wanna
mine.
go rush?
Yeah, it's just a turret, you know?
Yeah.
Oh,
Jeez, what the heck?
Who was that? Hayden.
I'm literally gonna die. Don't worry, cause I'm gonna live.
I guess we're rushing.
I hope you die. You're gonna
Oh.
die, Lance.
No, I'm not. Wild West.
Are you from the
Hard
Wild West?
labor and
This is not
bull
Red Dead
riding.
Redemption.
Come on, get some!
Ooh, he said a bad word.
Who?
That guy.
I edit my okay.
Hey,
I
look,
was gonna
it's
go
random
rogue, but
people.
nope, guess not.
Should we kill them?
Should I just end the video?
Yeah, please.
And I will
Please.
see you guys on the world side.
But you're just not gonna end it.